Hey, what's going on, friends? This is Ron from Optimized Effects. Welcome to another update video for all the EAs of the last month. It's going to be a quick video. I'm just going to go through how they all went, and we'll get stuck into it. But firstly, this is the YouTube channel. I have 1.22k subscribers. Got 163 videos. And the channel still is not monetized as yet because I don't have enough people watching my videos. That's perfectly okay. I understand my videos can be boring, very monotonous, and that's cool, but we'll be changing it up next year. I'll have another video after this coming out soon, where I'll be talking about the future of this channel and how it is all going to play out for next year. But without further ado, let's get stuck into the last review of 2023 of all the EAs that have been running over the past month. So this first one here is called, was called FVG Pro EA, and it ended up being a renamed EA called SmartX 3.4 or something like that. But it ended up blowing the account initially, and I thought I'd just put it on again after a bit. And this made a little bit of money each day, but I do not recommend this EA at all. It is just basically Smart Robot 3.4 if you're looking for it. So I don't recommend this FVG Pro, the one that I have. It's just renamed. It's just called EA Smart Machine. There you go, 3.49 that someone's renamed to this. So waste my time basically testing this. The next one we have is Daily Profit Swing EA Full. I've had mixed results with this. Mainly the reason why is it started off really well. It made like 400, yeah, it made like almost $500 in the time that it had been trading. Well, maybe it did not. No, I think it must have. Okay, it started with 1,000 and we ended up with 93. Cool. So yeah, it started off making a heap of money at the start here. So like 90, 70, 40. Sorry, that's for the year. Doesn't go back past here, but basically, long story short, it made a heap of money and then it had a really big drawdown, which it closed at negative 483. So it lost all the profits, and then now I've kept it running again, and it's basically made 93. And the reason being is that I had, when I was first running this, I didn't realize it was a multi-currency robot, and I had this on quite a few pairs. So that's probably why it made a lot at the start, and then it has not made much since. Is because I had like I had it trading on like multiple charts when I didn't realize it was a multi-currency robot. So there you go. This Daily Profit Swing EA Full is actually pretty good. It's a good EA to have in your arsenal of robots. It's a multi-currency trader, and it trades. If we have a look at the account history here, I'll give you a little bit of a rundown of what you can expect. So here we go. These are the last trades from yesterday. So it made a couple. So AUD JPY and AUD CAD. And it made like a few dollars. Sometimes it makes more, sometimes less, but generally it is profitable, apart from that time that I lost a heap, and I don't know why. Oh, that's because I was trading maybe gold. I think I had it on gold, or maybe it trades gold. I'm not too sure, but we can see here that $400 loss, it does trade gold, or maybe I had it trading gold. I don't remember. But you can see here, like it did pretty well, and then we had this point here where it hit stop loss, and we lost all the profits that we had made previously. Anyway, you live and you learn, and that's basically the review of this EA. So basically, yeah, put on one chart. I'm not sure if it actually trades gold in the pairs that it trades, but you can make it trade like 5 at a time if you want, or there's trailing here, fix lot, step, take profit, all that kind of stuff. I don't know what these bonuses do. No idea. Maybe that's where you can add extra pairs. But anyway, so that's that. Yeah, definitely one to try. This one here is SpaceX Trader Pro, I've had it trading 2 pairs, Euro USD and GU, and surprisingly, it has been going really well. The reason why it has only made $57 is it did have a previous robot trading on here, which ended up being like White Hat FX, or wasn't what it was. It ended up blowing the account. So as you can see right here, I put another $1,000 into the account to bring it back to the 1,000 that it starts, and it has only been trading for, we can see here, since the 12th, so halfway through December. So it only traded 2 weeks, and in that 2 weeks it has made, we can make this smaller and this bit bigger, so disregard the month there, but we can have a look at the week. For the week it made $20, and we can see that, yeah, the max drawdown was like $43. Wasn't much at all. So it has been going pretty good. Not sure how it will go in the longer term, but it's definitely an EA to definitely test. I think it's definitely worth having a look at. This panel hasn't come up here because there are no ticks coming through. It is the weekend. We're not using any martingales here with SpaceX Trader, but you can if you want. So you can do standard or semi, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is probably better than doing none, or you can use a multiplier. So that's pretty cool. It has a trade time, which is really, really good to have. Closed by Pitts profit, trailing stop, closed by percentage loss. That's not on. Money management's there. It's got good money management, got good trade settings. It's definitely worth having a look at. And it has just a basic, I think it's just a basic moving average for entry. So it is a very basic EA. It has all the things that you need to make a little bit of profit. It's fine. Now this one here is called FX Machine. Very, very slow. Only trades Euro USD. We are currently in almost in profit. This has been going for since the 12th of December, so it's 2 weeks. It's been stuck in drawdown. It increases a lot slowly. You can see here 3, 6, 12, so it's doubling. It's made $62 in the last month, but it backtests quite well. It's quite slow, but yeah, I think the drawdown to profit ratio is not great. I think the drawdown that it was at the top here was around about $200, and it's only made 62 in that whole month. That's pretty bad. So I don't know. I'm going to keep it going for next month. We'll see how it goes. This one here is King Kong. Now, wow, I backtested this and it doesn't survive at all. But in the time that it's traded in December, it has survived, and it's made $272 with a max drawdown of 241. That is a better drawdown to profit ratio. It's still not good. We can see here that the drawdown to profit is 43%. You want to see that to be a lot better, but it is still much better than the previous one I was looking at here, which was this. So your drawdown to profit there is 409%. That's really bad. So not good. But this one here, much better. But it doesn't survive my backtests when I run backtests on it. It could be just this broker. It could be that the spread is not great with FBS, the broker. So I might try backtesting it on another broker, and we'll see what happens, because brokers do play a role in the performance of robots. If you're not aware of that, there you go. So we'll see how it goes. King Kong. I might keep it running. This is only trading, I think I've only been trading one pair, Euro USD. So look, you can probably trade other pairs. I haven't tried it, so I think it's definitely one to keep forward testing. I can share some of these in the group if you'd like. Let me know which ones you'd like me to share, and I'll share. Except for this, I can't share this one. So this is EAAI. Basically, not really much to talk about with this. It trades gold. I've put Euro USD on it as well, but it hasn't been going really well at all with that. I think it's meant to be trading M1, but it's made $51 in the time that I've had it trading, and the drawdown to profit ratio has, I don't know if that's good or not. 1,555%. Yeah, I don't know. But the drawdown is negative 489. So maybe it's not. That's not good at all. It's bad. It's really bad. But yeah, it hasn't done anything really this week. Yeah, there's nothing there. So I don't know. Anyway, Gold Trade Pro. This has been going for quite a long time, and it hasn't really taken any trades for a long time. It was still at $98, and the drawdown to profit ratio is awesome. It's at 26%, and it's for the month it's made 98. I don't know when it did that. Probably in the first week, but yeah, it's done nothing ever since. This one here is Gold High. It started off really well, but I think internally it has a setting where it doesn't trade December because it hasn't done anything. Hasn't really done anything in the last couple of weeks. We can see here the last trade was on the 14th. So I think it doesn't trade the last 2 weeks of December, or there just haven't not been any opportunities where it's been able to make any trades. But it's made 118. I've got this other one called the Winner on there as well. It trades very, very rarely. We can see here there's one here, and I think that was it. So the Winner doesn't trade very much at all, but it does trade, and when it does trade, it does good trades. That's what we want. It doesn't matter if an EA doesn't trade often, as long as the trades that it does take are good. So the Winner's made $4.09 for the drawdown to profit ratio of 23.72%. It is higher with the gold one because obviously gold, you need a bigger balance to trade it better, but still not so bad for that. Last one we have AI Prop Firm EA. It started off really bad, but it has since redeemed itself by making $24.90. AI Prop Firm EA $6.09. Was it this one? Oh yeah, there we go. So it's took a loss, 24, a win, big loss, win, 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 and there you go. So would I trade this live? Probably, yeah. Seems to be going okay. I'm only trading one pair, so yeah, we'll see what happens with that. It's worth keeping going. I might try it with more pairs and see how we go. It has recovered its loss, which is fine. It's only a month, so but it doesn't trade very often at all. Last but not least, I really don't understand this robot. It's called Pip Hunter EA. I've got it auto account management on. I'm not sure how this. I don't know how it works. Basically, it just keeps buying Euro USD, and it made like $448. I closed them manually. I don't know how. Again, I don't know how this EA works. It has a whole heap of buttons there. It's supposed to trade NAS Gold US 30. I've got it trading on Euro USD. And then it's got name of currencies or indices to trade: Euro USD, Euro Pound, and Euro Yen. And then it's got all these other currencies. It's just really weird. It's just a really weird setup. It's got all these conditions here that I don't know what to do with, and it's only traded Euro USD, even though it's got all of these other. Oh, here we go. I could be wrong. Pip Hunter. Oh no, that was a different one. Oh no, it blew up maybe. I don't know. Oh, then this white hat thing. Oh, then Pip Hunter again. I don't know what's happened with this account. 1222, 1127, and they're the latest trades. Pip Hunter. Yeah, I really don't know what's happening with this. It does trade US 30. There you go. So, and then it's got Euro USD with a whole heap of buys right now, but USD's come back. after that big bull run. But anyway, yeah, that pretty much rounds up all of these EAs and how they've gone for the past month. I hope you've learned something new about some of these, and yeah, there's definitely a few there that's worth probably definitely testing more or putting on a small live account. Yeah, for sure. So let me know what you think about these in the comments below. If you like more of this content, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button if you like this video and you think you'll benefit from this by making some money, which is what I'm going to do. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you next year. Thank you. Bye bye.